So here on the Amazon chart, what we can track is also, like on many other stocks or tech stocks chart, is potentially a larger correction in the making already. However, the Amazon chart still looks more positive towards another high than some of the others. Like I, for example, cover AMD as well. AMD looks a little weaker than Amazon. The Amazon chart looks a little stronger because the larger time frame wave count rather still allows for another high. Yeah, the proportions align more with the concept, the potential for another high before a substantial top forms. But I've already labeled it as, let's say, alternative. Yeah, that here in this larger degree, third wave, a top already formed. So that would be an alternative. In this case, the move down was an A wave from the January 2025 high. The move down was an A wave. The rally here, potentially a B wave. And now next, a C wave down would be quite probable. It should take us towards that blue zone there, $124.40 to $145.33. But this will need to be adjusted, yeah, as the price still climbs higher. For now, we don't even have a top in place here. But I'm just showing the potential for that larger correction so you have an orientation or an idea where things could be going. In the yellow scenario, which is currently still preferred, we could get another high. So again, I also cover AMD, obviously, and on the AMD chart, I'm also leaning towards the yellow scenario, but on the AMD chart, for example, that three-wave move up would not be part of a new high formally, but just a high B wave or a B wave rally. But again, that's just labeling. The overall idea is also here on the Amazon chart, we have a three-wave move to the upside. And because of the overall context, just by three waves up, I cannot be clearly bullish. I cannot clearly lean bullish. But I can have a bullish perspective at least based on the context. So it depends on what happens in the next pullback. So the support area for a B wave pullback, for a corrective pullback, early in the week, maybe it starts, or in the next couple of weeks, is between $173.20 and $197.85. So this would be a standard support zone here that we can track, which can guide us. And yeah, it is the pivot between bullish momentum and bearish momentum, you could say. So what we don't want really to see is a break below the $173 level in the yellow scenario. But essentially, it will depend on the pullback. So if it's a five-wave move down that's unfolding at any point, it's rather the white count. If it looks impulsive, rather the white count. If the pullback is overlapping and messy, it will be rather the yellow scenario. So thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in additional stocks updates, consider to join our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. It's the Patreon link. There are different membership tiers. The basic membership gives you access to daily video updates on the S&P 500 ES futures chart, the NASDAQ chart, and 20 stocks are covered regularly. Then you get additional updates with the charts membership, where you can get live chart access. The advanced membership allows you access to more than, well, I would say 20, 30, 40 different stocks in addition that are covered per week. And as a professional member, and there are only 3 spaces left right now, you can even request 2 charts per week, whether Forex, crypto, stocks, or other asset classes. Check it out if you're interested. We're looking forward to welcoming you to our community. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.